Here we are, September 4th, 2008, at Gemini Springs Park, one of our favorite parks. And it has been about 2 weeks since Tropical Storm Faye has been through. And you can see how flooded the park is with all the rain that we got. And this is just from a tropical storm. You can see there's a bird over there getting ready to hunt for his dinner. But you can see the dock that we normally walk on is submerged underwater. You can see the bridge across from the spring, way over there, is deeply submerged, so there's no walking around the park anymore. You either walk one way or you walk the other. You can't walk both ways. And I'm gonna walk around and take some pictures, and I'm not going to narrate all that much, even though everybody has asked me to narrate, but I don't like talking on these things. Let's see, Dave, you have anything to say?
Nope.
There's Dave, staring at the spring. There's the heron again. You can hear the frogs in the background, or toads. We're trying to find little alligators. I mean babies, not anything that's gonna hurt us. You can see across the way over the park how the water goes behind the bench over there, across the pathway where we usually walk around. So, you see it right here. I'm gonna keep the camera moving. It might be, I'm not the best photographer, so just bear with me as we walk and film. If we see anything of interest, we'll say something, so maybe you'll be able to see it. You can see there again, there's the front of the dock. How submerged it is, how deep the water is. Across the way, the back of that silver thing back there, that's the sign that says caution alligators. You can see it's submerged in the water for those of you who have been here with us. Get that bird one more time. Okay, I'm going to pause this and start another film in 1 minute.